Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making a soft-baked molasses cookie. We call them mostaccioli. So I will start with the eggs. I'll put the sugar and I will beat them. Okay, now I'm going to add the oil. The molasses, the mix, and I'm gonna start adding all the other ingredients. Here's the vanilla. If you don't have this, you can just use the liquid. I like to use this one. Smells good. I'll put everything out here. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the milk. And this is baking soda. Stir. Now I'm gonna add everything else. Okay, this is cinnamon, this is cloves, cocoa, orange peel, lemon peel. Okay, now I'll mix. I'm going to start adding the flour. With a fork here, I'll start mixing. Good. Here I have a pan ready with parchment paper. And then I'm gonna add the roasted almonds. Leave some because I will be putting some on the top. Okay. And these are roasted, the almonds. And we mix until all well combined. And I'm gonna turn the oven on. So we'll be ready soon. So make sure the batter is all mixed. Okay, so it's all done. So now I'm gonna be putting them in here, and we put a spoonful like this. Okay, depends how big you want them. They don't really have to be perfect. You can make them bigger than this. They don't take long to make, but they're delicious to eat. Lots of flavors. And actually, this recipe makes quite a few. Okay, so now I'll put some of the almonds on top. You can just bake them the way they are, or just you can put some almonds just like that. The oven is not ready, so we'll continue with the other ones. Because these ones I'm gonna leave them like this because I like to put some icing on top when they come out of the oven. So I will just leave them like this. As you can see, they look beautiful. Okay, and I will show them to you when they come out of the oven. Okay, these are ready. Beautiful. I'll put the other one. They only stay like 15 minutes in the oven. Okay, the cookies, they've been cooling off. They look nice. Now I'm gonna put some icing on top of these ones. I'm gonna add some icing sugar in the bowl here. And I'm gonna add some lemon juice. I just squeezed some lemon. Okay, you want this nice and smooth. Put it in a bag. Just put it. Okay, and I'll pour it in the bag. I'm just gonna make a little hole. And this is optional, but they look nice, but they taste good too. This is like they're gonna dry a little bit. And these ones are ready to eat. So I'm gonna just maybe take one. They're nice and soft. Beautiful. They smell so good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.